Hey everyone, I'm Laura Fiskus and I'm a teacher at Allegheny College of Maryland. I'm here to talk with you about the mind-body connection. It's based on the idea that your thoughts and feelings can affect how your body functions. Have you noticed that when you get upset, your heart beats faster? You might even feel tension in your neck and shoulders when you're feeling stress. Your emotions do affect the way your body feels. And that can be an important thing to recognize as a student, because being a college student can be stressful. Allegheny College of Maryland has made a commitment to help people understand this connection between the mind and body. We want students to learn how to manage the stress that life can bring. ACM has had a long partnership with the Center for Mind-Body Medicine, a nonprofit organization based in Washington, D.C. Many people in our community have been trained in the center's model of self-care and group support. The skills of mind-body medicine are now part of a course called Connections. Many students take Connections in their first semester at ACM. One of the things that you'll learn in this course is how to build self-awareness, self-care, and self-expression so that you can stay balanced and resilient as you meet the challenges of being a college student. People who have taken Connections say that these mind-body skills have been key to their success at ACM. Some students use these skills to manage test anxiety, or to handle the stress of multiple deadlines, or just to bring some balance to the responsibilities of having a job, a family, and being a student. Let's try a simple mind-body skill right now so you can see for yourself. This one is called soft belly breathing. To begin soft belly breathing, make sure you're sitting comfortably with your feet on the floor. Close your eyes or look down at the floor and allow your attention to settle inward. Become aware of your breathing. Put one hand on your belly so you can feel the breath moving, and gradually allow your breathing to shift so that it becomes slower, softer, and deeper. Breathe in through the nose and slowly exhale through the mouth. Sense the air moving in through the nose and out through the mouth. Notice how the belly expands with the in-breath and relaxes with each out-breath. This deepens the breath, allows for the exchange of oxygen, and relaxes the nerves, muscles, and the busy mind. With each breath, silently say to yourself, soft as you breathe in, and belly as you breathe out. When thoughts come, let them come and let them go, each time gently returning your attention back to soft belly breathing. If your eyes are closed, you can open them now and notice how you're feeling. You can do this anytime you're feeling tense or stressed, or at bedtime if you have trouble sleeping. Soft belly breathing is just one of many forms of relaxation. When you learn how to experience comfort with discomfort during difficult times, you have a sense of control when things get challenging. Learning how to relax is a great way to take care of yourself in this busy world. I'm excited to share more mind-body skills with you when you take the class called Connections or Habits for Success. Best of luck as you begin your journey as a college student.